everybody. I'm Miss Linda.
And I'm Miss Lori.
And we're here today for Art Tuesday. We're doing rainbow band jewelry. We're very excited. We're going to show you this little packet. Some of you may have gotten this from the children's desk at the library. We have a few left. If you haven't picked your kit up yet, please come and get one. All the rainbow bands you need and beads to make 2 bracelets are in this pack. You will also need a loom, which you make yourself. Some of you may have already made it. It's 2 pencils with something in between, like a chapstick, an eraser, or a glue stick, and you just tape them together, and then you have your tool. So if you haven't made one yet, go ahead and pause the recording, go make one, come on back. Hi guys, this is Miss Linda. I'm going to show you our little kit that you may have picked up from the children's desk. Let's open it up and see what's inside. There are 2 plastic baggies. This one is for the 3-color bracelet with beads, and this is the one that Miss Lori's going to do with you in a few minutes. This one is called the Simple Fishtail, and this is the one that we're going to make now. The colors that I have today are pink and green. And here is my tool. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to pick one of our 2 colors. I'm going to pick green. We're going to put it over the end of our pencil, and then we're going to twist it to put it over the other pencil. The shape that you have here should be, let me show you this one more time. We're going to twist it, put it over the pencil. It's going to be a figure 8. Just like that. Next color that I have is pink. We're going to put this right over the pencils, no twisting this time. Okay? Our next color is going to be green again. Green over the pencils. No twisting. All right, are you ready to grab your band off the pencil? Take one end, flip it around the top of the pencil, let it loose. Grab the bottom green band on this side, flip it over your pencil, let it loose. Should look just like that. All right, next you're going to grab a pink band. See how I'm going alternating colors? It's going to be pink, green, pink, green, pink, green. You guys have 2 colors at home and you'll be doing the same thing. Pink band over top of the pencils, no twisting. You're not going to twist after this point. Okay? Now you're going to grab your lower pink band. Up and over the pencil, drop it. Lower pink band, over the pencil, and drop it. Good job. I'm going to do a couple more just to show you. I try to go slow. If you need to stop the video in the middle and go back, go right ahead. Alternating colors. Oopsies. Sometimes they're going to want to pop off the pencil. That's okay. Just pop them back on. Bottom one up and over. Bottom one up and over. Let's do a couple more real quick. Bottom one up and over. Bottom one up and over. If you're struggling to grab your bands, maybe ask somebody a little older in your household to help you. It can be a little bit tough, but once you get the hang of it, it's not so bad. When you're finished, it's going to look like this. Now you might wonder, how am I going to finish this off? How am I going to make these bands stay together? You should have 2 clasps in your kits. They're very small. You only need 1, but I gave you 2 just in case. Some look like this, like a C, like an O. Some are shaped like a C, and some are shaped like an S. They all work the same way. They have a little opening to them. You're going to pop your bands from either side through that hole, and that's what's going to secure your bracelet. All right, and this one's called a simple fishtail. Good job.
Okay, Miss Lori here now with my version of the rainbow loom. In the packet, you will see that there's one that says 3-color bracelet with beads. You can use the 3 colors if you would like, or the 2 different band colors if you'd like. For the one that I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to do 1 color. I will show you that I've also done 3 colors with the same color bead. Really, it's totally up to you, whatever you would like to do. If you do use 2 different color bands, just alternate every other one. You can either put the same color band in your bead, or you can mix it all up. It is totally up to you. This is the one that I did with the 3 different colors bands. Here's one I did with 2 different color bands. And the one we're going to do today just has 1 color. Beads are all the same. So the very first thing you need to do before we do anything on our handmade loom is put a band into each one of your beads. Now I have 14 beads here because that's what seems to fit my wrist best. I believe there's at least that many in the kits that we have given you. Once you start going and you see how long it is, you can kind of measure it on your own wrist. So let's get going. Okay, so to get started, this is very similar to what Ms.Linda did with her fishtail. You put your band on and loop it over to make an infinity sign, a figure 8. So that's on your loom. Then you take another one and just loop it over regular. So you have a figure 8 and you have a regular. What you're going to do now is take the figure 8 band, so the band at the bottom, loop it over just the straight band. And that's what you have. That's what it looks like, very similar to Miss Linda's. Now we are going to take a beaded one, and this is the tricky part, at least for me. Take the band and hold it against one of the pencils. Take the other side of the band and loop it around the other pencil, and then you can loop that one. So now you have 2 bands, 1 regular, 1 beaded. The regular band goes over the beaded band. Okay, so now you have bead. Now this is where I get mixed up. In your head, try and keep a rhythm. We're doing a regular band because we just did a beaded band. Regular over bead. And then we do a bead. Again, oh, that started to come out. Do a bead. Regular over band, over bead. And now we do a regular. Up and over. Pull this down as you go. Beaded. Up and over the bead. Up and over the bead. Pull it down. Regular. As you do this, you're going to be able to see your bracelet starting to take shape. See that? See, it is starting to take shape. So now what did I just do? Did I do a regular? I think I have to do a regular. Up and over. No, I didn't. I did it wrong again. Miss Lori did this however many times. And if you do it wrong, you'll see right away that you're gonna have a mistake. So I need a bead. And this is why it's a good idea to stop and pause if you get confused. Up and over the bead, and my next one will be a regular one. Now I got the regular one. And just up and over, slide it down over the pencil. Slide it down. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but again, there is your bracelet. When you're done doing all of that, you are going to have a bracelet that looks similar to this, or similar to this, or just blue and gold. Take your time, have fun with it, and if you really, really enjoyed it, come see us and we'll get you some more. Thank you. Well, we sure hope you enjoyed doing this and you had fun with it. I'm going to say, please don't get discouraged if you mess up, because it happens. It's fun to do, they're great to give as gifts, and I know I enjoyed it, I'm sure Miss Linda did as well.
We really did, and if you had a lot of fun too and you want to make more, we have extra rainbow loom bands here at the library, and we've made extra kits. Come on in, check out 5 books, 5 movies, 5 of any materials, and you get a brand new kit so you can make more. One other thing, there are many, many tutorials on Pinterest, on YouTube. With a parent's permission, take a look at those. There's many, many, many different bracelet and craft designs with rainbow bands, and we hope you have a great time with it. Thanks for coming.
Thank you. Bye-bye. So Miss Linda is going to start with the first band.